Hi friend, it's Demetra. Welcome if you are new here, and if not, welcome back. On my channel, I cover my weight loss journey, healing, and self-development. So if you're interested in that content, then please subscribe to my channel and join my family. On today's video, I'm here with this week's weigh-in. It is week 14 on tirzepatide for me. I had been doing alternate day fasting. So if you've been watching my videos and caught up till now, then you'll see that I was doing alternate day fasting and posted a video last week talking about not being afraid to let go of what is no longer serving you. And alternate day fasting was no longer serving me. I should have let go of that a while ago, but I continued to try to do it knowing that it really wasn't working out for me. And I did that because I felt like that's what people wanted to see. So I was going to continue to do alternate day fasting, although it was not awarding me any weight loss. And I kept losing and regaining the same 15 pounds. And it was really a struggle for me. I know that I made the right decision at this point because I feel really good about it. I'm excited about my weight loss again because I'm doing what feels right to me. And I know that tirzepatide and the weight loss injections can be controversial for some people. So if it's something that you're not interested in, then please feel free to step away, exit the chat, because this will be my journey moving forward until I decide that it's no longer serving me, if that time comes. So I just wanted to give you a quick update for this week's weigh-in. I will be posting recaps because I went from fasting and then I was on I did start the tirzepatide as I was attempting alternate day fasting. So I was doing that in conjunction and before I shared it because I wasn't sure if I was going to stick with the tirzepatide and I wasn't feeling any suppression. And actually, this is the first time I felt real suppression that felt like it was going to stay. I have still been having some food noise, not a lot of hunger. Actually, I have to look up and think about what time is it. It's later in the day. I haven't eaten. I need to eat something. But as far as the food noise, I've noticed that when it's there and there's a craving, I'm actually able to say, nah, that sounds good, but I'm not going to have it. So that's something I have not been able to do up until this point, is talk myself out of something that I'm craving. I have been craving certain things that I shouldn't have. Peanut clusters, chocolate peanut clusters. This is my confession. I have been for months craving and eating, running to the store to get peanut clusters. And it's like when I get stuck on something, I can eat it every day, and it typically is something that I shouldn't have. So I went past the store that I normally stop at to get peanut clusters, and I went past there and it crossed my mind I could stop at the store to get peanut clusters, and I rode right past that store and came home and didn't have anything. And I was proud of myself the next day for that. Since stepping away from alternate day fasting, a typical day of eating for me is usually coffee in the mornings. I'm not a breakfast person. I haven't been for many, many years. So I always just have coffee in the morning. And if I'm hungry for lunch, I'll eat. If I'm not hungry, I typically don't eat. But I'm thinking this week I want to at least try to get like a yogurt or something, some form of protein in during lunch, even if I'm not hungry. And then also, I just eat a regular dinner. I have not changed my eating habits as far as what I eat. I'm not necessarily eating the healthiest things right now. As I'm transitioning, I will eventually get there to make better food choices. I just need to try to conquer one thing at a time. So what I'm doing right now is eating what I usually would. I'm just eating every day. I'm not alternate day fasting. I want to make that clear. I'm not alternate day fasting. I may skip breakfast and lunch, and it may turn into an 18-hour fast, but it's not intentional. I'm not tracking my fast anymore. I'm just going to eat when I'm hungry. I will be posting recaps for the last 3 months. I thought it was only a month or two, but because that's all it's felt like. I've been on it longer. I just didn't feel any suppression. I started my tirzepatide journey on July the 1st. So that makes this week 14 of my journey. And because I have not been discussing my journey so far, I do want to do some recap videos, and I'll probably do one for each month, a recap of month 1, a recap of month 2, a recap of month 3 to catch you up to this is actually going into or halfway through actually month 4. So I'm 3.5 months in and just now starting to feel some suppression on tirzepatide. So for those of you that are just starting the journey and feel like I'm not feeling anything, when is this going to kick in? You need to understand that you have to titrate up on doses and that you may not feel anything until months in. So keep that in mind. Be patient. I do want to also say that my insurance does not cover this. I do have to pay out of pocket. I did start with a local spa. I did that for the first 2 months, and the only reason I switched to an online company is because it was more affordable, which is a very good reason. So I want to go over my weigh-in with you guys this week. Last week I weighed 305.6 pounds. And this week I weighed 299 pounds. So on week 14, I lost 6.6 pounds in 1 week. And some of that may have been water weight. I'll take it. Either way, I'm going to take it. So yeah, that's my weigh-in for this week. Again, I am on the 7.5 milligrams of compound tirzepatide. And I take 0.5 or 50 units in that syringe. And this coming Saturday, I plan on taking shots, taking my shot with you guys. I'm filming myself taking my shot and sharing that with you guys so you can see exactly what everything looks like for me. So if you're interested in that, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified each time I upload a video to my channel. And until next time, bye friend. Mwah.